Yeah, I know. It's kind of fucking crazy, isn't it? Ooh. Well, let's see what's in the balance patch first. But basically, I'm dropping the fucking nuke at this point. Or getting ready to drop the nuke. The ultimate rant. That has to be repeated again and again. The play card win game rant. It's being uploaded right now, so I don't even have a thumbnail for it. That's the thumbnail, guys. Mage. Fucking back in the day, it started with Pyroblast. It never fucking stopped, to be honest. Because, the essence is OTK, but it's so much deeper now than ever before. Sire Denathrius. Like, that actually is a new thing as well, that people fucking let it slide. And the funny thing is, everyone is saying this, Sunken City was the thing, and what Castle Nathria has invented is, this guy. What happened after Sunken City, you might ask? What's the magical thing that just, disappeared out of, ability to enjoy the game? Well, you die now. Just instant death. Play card win game began. The reign of play card win game. Terrorism, basically. And that shit never stopped, bro. Does Mage just have it in a core set or something? Because I will lose my fucking mind, bro. I will lose my marbles. If they just have it in a core set. Where is that fucking bullshit? Whizbank's workshop. Oh. It's gonna fucking rotate. But holy shit, this card. But then this card. And nobody plays this card anymore. It's not good enough for them. Did Pyroblast disappear or something? It did. And it still doesn't help the case. It's so fucking dumb, bro. Like, for people to not see it, it's right there, guys. I did have to research to find out. Like, it's a lot of work, actually. You know, I had to play the game, and when my opponent played the card and I lost, then it's like, oh, but why did I lose? Because they played card. I wanna, and that's when I realized what's actually going on. I don't like people playing a card, a specific fucking card that just breaks the game. You know, it's like throwing a fucking blue screen of death at you. That is the feeling that you get playing Hearthstone. And I don't think you want to have that feeling, to be honest. I mean, that's just the best thing ever. Why am I not playing that? Wait, I can be a hunter tourist? What the fuck? Then I can cash cow. Or do mana management. Or summon my 1-drops out of my ass constantly, which is actually pretty good. Fishing the amalgam is the way to go. It destroys my win rate. When Mage spawns fucking 25 points of stats just for free, and like, come on. When you just spawn that much stats with one card, it's fucking game over, dude. And that's not Paladin quest problem, even. Paladin, this is actually the most fair fucking battle you can have in Hearthstone right now. Everything else is insane, dude. Unless it's, not meta. With that mage thing, like, what? They just play card, dude. Just play card. Hydration, warrior, they just play card. It's not even the problem of, like, anything they're talking about. Like, it's dumb. Anything anyone is talking, like, I feel too smart right now for my own good.
Ton changes. 16 buffs are gonna all the really bad quests. I think 6 or 5.
I have a feeling this will still be useful, but if it loses lifesteal, Oh boy. They didn't even do anything if it
Getting
loses them.
buffed and although
It probably cannot. It can only attack minions, basically. That's
I gotta
what it's gonna
say,
do. And even Paladin wins just because he plays the fucking 8-drop. Often enough, he wins because of that. He plays card. You can't beat card. Card is too strong. Back in my day when I played Yu-Gi-Oh, in order to play strong card, you have to sacrifice other 2 cards. But nowadays, you just play card.
expensive, so
Oh, thank you for nerfing
you know
that
your
guy.
opponent is. I was thinking.
What? They're not nerfing the quest? Like, why am I losing, guys? Why am I losing? It's because of that guy, of course. Jesus fucking Christ, not nerfing the quest. Bro, I can't do anything. Fucking bullshit, dude. They play their fucking dinosaur. Did they fucking nerf the dinosaur, please? Jesus Christ.
That will get that they're fucking pretty.
They're not nerfing the dinosaur. Like, they're so fucking stupid, huh? Holy shit. That's the real problem. It's the play card moment, dude. Amazing. The play card, fill the board, smash face. That's the fucking strategy. Oh wow, it's getting nerfed as well. The card draw. Okay. Oh wow, play card, win game. Is it happening? No. Not yet, at least. Not completing my quest, it seems. Kinda stinky. I don't know, man, that's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. But the funny thing is, they still haven't fucking... Shut the fuck up, piece of shit player, dude. The funny thing is, they're still too stupid. They literally nerfed a card that had to... that was in the game before. You know? Fucking mental. And now I actually want to get the fucking, legendary to Disenchanted, bro. So good.
You asked for it.
This game is so fucking disgusting, man. And no one even tells why.
Back. You just stall a lot and then boom, hack away.
4-8 stats sound about right. I don't want them to kill the concept. I think the concept is pretty fucking badass. So I'll actually be upset if they kill the concept. But otherwise, that's my proposal. 4-8 stats. Is he playing Whizbang deck? Or I'm tripping balls. No, he can't, possibly.
One that immediately dies. You can bump it is nothing but problems at higher legend.
Damn, he's strong. He be ballin'. Wind Fury? Nope. Eat fire, bro. Threaten lethal? Don't mind if I do. Damn, that's desperate as fuck. I love how I'm gonna clear his board now. With a bored Pyromancer. So bored. Ooh, spicy.
A frozen treat as sweet
That's pretty
as me.
spicy, for sure. A minion. Frozen copy. Bam. For Clauswood, he's gonna get the armor. Are you fucking kidding me? He's just to steal it, bro. Mental. Nah, it's not gonna save you, buddy. I wanna see how he actually survives this assault.
You wanna read a book? I wanna read a book.
Ouch. That helped a lot, actually. Thank you very much.
Sickly sweet.
I'm actually one off. Or am I? Yes, I am. Okay, that's pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. Can Murloc Paladin do this, bro?
Standard right now, huge outlier. The mana cost.
What?
Play the
What is that? What is that?
Hunter, you're up. Get good.
Okay.
Get real
Sure.
right. By powering light
Absolutely.
bot, Anna, imbue. You get Anna
What? What is that?
in win rates, but they are
Yes, please.
give all so because
Okay.
cost wise and in one really stinks. These are get too
What?
but all it's nerfed. So Phoenix, this one
Is this not getting nerfed?
down, bro, Lux card draw.
Yes, it is getting nerfed.
But you have to wait till the next turn to play it for 0 again. That would be where you one more gain in a relatively but wild where
Yes.
in scales getting I feel
Sure.
yeah 7 to 8 I would prefer dice you
I
could
don't know what the
already
fuck that
look
is.
card that got buffed.
Okay. 1/3. You could buff like 4 different minion types, but. Oh, so cute. It's gonna get cute little monsters out of this. What do I get? I also get cute little monsters. Enemy minion. Look at that Kodo guy. It's Kodo guy. Oh my fucking god. And I don't get to kill it anyways. Insanity, bro. I'm not playing this game. Jesus.
With all the early game decks that people just play Protoss Mage and nuke all the quest decks, right? Like,
Yay.
I don't know, the token that you'll get, they showed not only the quest for Spirit of the Mountain, where you have to play 7 minions of unique types, so probably going down to 6 or 5. They also showed Ashelon, right? The reward. So they're going to buff the reward. So maybe you get 3 adapts. That could be a...
Yes, yes, Blizzard. Buff me, senpai. Buff me. I really needed that special little buff. Jesus Christ. Are you sure about that, Blizzard? Are you sure you want to buff my quest right now? I don't know, man. I think you will regret that one. I'm not fucking joking, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Them buffing this makes no fucking sense. No sense at all.
It make the...
They could add rush to adapt. Why can Beast have rush, bro? Just add rush.
Cheaper, they could give this a rush, but yeah, I feel like it's one...
Shut the fuck up. Give it 3 damage.
The other thing...
You just stupid shadow step problem. Wow. Jesus Christ, this game. Shadow step is the problem for him, personally. Absolutely. I totally understand. I have to kind of kill it off. I want to kill this off too. It's a tough, man. It's a tough one. I have to prepare a border clear. And that works for me. Goodbye. Who's better Murloc Paladin now? Bitch. Shit. That's a pretty good one. Gotta do that one. Oh yeah. I think I can afford to play this game. Pretty good. I can't, however, complete the quest anymore since I want to put him to sleep. Oh god, is that fucking disgusting. Yeah, they should have lifesteal and rush in the adapt. I'm just saying, guys. Why not? So he allows me to do this for free? I think he does. What a nice guy.
What?
Then I play, yeah. Everything works out for me. I can play from as low HP as I want to. He can't bite me. I might even threaten lethal, dude. Sorry, bro. Stats don't work against me. Nope. Not that either. I'm not scared anymore. My guy. You will not fool me. Enjoy. Dying upon my wall, bitch. I literally don't know what I'm gonna do past that turn, but hey, it was fun while it lasted. I hate how this fucking thing is so weak and doesn't provide any value whatsoever. For fuck's sake. He can kill that too now. He can literally kill that. Can you fucking imagine? I can't fucking do this, bro. Play card.
As long as
Nerves were fucking garbage. Absolute garbage nerves. And the buffs are also fucking garbage because we don't need buffs, dude. Shut the fuck up. We don't need them that bad.
there, I can't see
We don't need this, bro. What the fuck is this?
that would be.
I wish I was adapting. You know? Me. One season I'm doing one thing, another season I'm doing like YouTube Rewind. Fuck yeah, dude. Adaptation. Hearthstone season, main channel season, development season. Yeah. It's hard to develop anything when I'm just fucking tired the whole time. I probably should have brutes. Lots of brutes. Just draw the card. Just draw the good stuff. I'm getting roped again. Are you fucking kidding me right now? I can't believe the bro. There's still 20% of people roping. Roping Gengas, bro. 3 paladins in a row, bro. This is what Americans are playing, bro. The most degenerate people. Alright. We got it. And I can put a taunt on it. And Divine Shield or something. I'm actually willing to get poison. That looks good. I think you need this card. I think I was a little bit crazy for not playing it. Here it is. Here's my guy. Oh, nice. Isn't that cute? Taunt Divine Shield everywhere. I swear, people will spam the Stealth Wind Fury over and over again. It's insanity. Waiting to happen. Ugh. That Wind Fury guy. Look ugly to me. Let me just, mash real quick. You too, buddy. Get the fuck out of here. I survived that stupid Murloc thing. And now it's time to survive some more. Why can't I have a repeatable quest? Eh? I want it too. I think they do know what they're doing because Murloc Paladin is not that fucking strong. So I'm okay with that. I think I'm okay with that. I'm sort of saying that nerfs were shit, but kind of fine. You just must run out of cards, right? That's the biggest problem that they found. The smart way of doing it, actually. Cool. I'll take it. There's cow inside, boys. I think I have to play it now. Good shit. I mean, my minions are not dying anytime soon, guys. I don't know why. He can try his best, but it ain't dying. They can defend themselves. I love that shit, bro. We're actually fighting toe to toe, like, it's fucking good. It's Gucci's. Look at this bullshit looking 3D. Distorted ass. Is he somehow killing that son? No, he's not. It's a lot worse if you think about it. So don't think about it, dude. Don't worry about it. You will be not fine. There we go. That's my guy right there. Ooh! That's my guy right there, guys. Holy shit. Alright, enjoy Wall of China, bitch. Bend over. Aww, I dictate the battle. Aww. You're in trouble. You're in trouble, boy. I love how I turned Paladin into just okay, I don't know then. I don't want to see boxing fairness. So dumb, bro. Punching bag, yeah. Well, we went really far away.
Well, the victory is
Eat my shorts, motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah, my friend. There's nothing you can do. Like, absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Play card, win game is just the most outrageous thing to this day. Luckily, it's just Mage and Warrior. Two classes that should have been deleted 10 years ago. You know, it's just how it goes. Man, fuck that guy. Alright, let's see if Druid actually has the ability to obliterate me in seconds. I don't feel obliterated, my friends. We tried poison? Yes. Looks good to me, buddy. Your turn. Aww, random enemies. That's so cute. Such a good little boy. Oh, he doesn't wanna. You just wanna go space, I guess, then? It's fine, it's fine. The cute little boy with cute little things going on for him. I think I just use one of these. We'll be fine. It poisons itself, though. It's kind of messy. You didn't run out of cards, did you? That would be so bad. Oh no! He's running out of cardies. You're running out of cardies, boy. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna smash? If you're running out of parties. We need to go smash! Smash! Yay! 0 mana, 8/8. Let's go, boy. He can do it. Please, doctor, I am working. Guys, I think I'm losing to this druid now. I need buffies! I need buffies, guys! Guys, what if I don't get buffies? Well, that's no longer possible. I will get my buffies. I'm a little scared, though. That I'm, like, super duper exposed. I'm an exposed YouTuber. Exposed and fully cancelled. Fuck off, you fucking retard, bro. Oh, you lost. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's what you deserve. But stop fucking emoting, bro. That makes you stupid. Just talk to me in the chat. I'm a rage-baited YouTuber. I always get angry. You must understand. Yes, guys, give me buffies. Bonus meme. Yeah, very early. We played a long fucking time. Don't click that button. Don't do it, bro. You're better than that. No, stop it. Play a normal fucking card, dude. What happened to your quest? Quest Paladin without quest. Yeah. We're getting to ultimate retardation territory here. Unbelievable retardation. Bro is golden. Golden Paladin doesn't know how to play quest. Fuck's sake. You know what? Good bonus meme. Absolutely. Thank you, Paladin. You know your assignment very well. It's not even Quest Paladin, it's something else, bro. It's fucking Quest ass. Quest ass. Ooh, spicy. I'll clear his board eventually. Shit, how do I attack phase? Oh, fuck's sake. Honestly, I should be able to control the board hard enough so that his bonus meme doesn't hit me hard. It's not gonna hurt, don't worry about it. It's not gonna hurt. Ouch. Wow. Okay, I'm actually kind of worried, actually.
The exit is this way.
Oh. I'm really worried, guys, about him. Worried that something's gonna happen to him that he doesn't want to happen. It's really sad, but that's the life we live.
friend.
Fucking spamming one drops, bro. Oh wow, double Crusader's aura. That's gonna save you. That's smart. Except you can't attack. Best bonus meme, bro. That is so fucking legendary. You can't attack though. I don't know. Just delete this guy. Get out of here. Delete all of his stuff. Slowly and surely, bro. Goodbye. Goodbye, my operation. You think I'm gonna play Quest this game?
Victory.
Best bonus meme ever, dude. Let's go. It's the funniest game ever, dude. Holy shit. I didn't have to be legends to enjoy the game. And I hope you learned something, my friends. I hope you learned that Shaman has to get buffed.